This 2024 Jayco Seismic 395 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 45 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 7, stovetop burner, TV, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, oven, microwave, refrigerator, slide-out, awning, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, patio deck, raised patio. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco Seismic 395 is 14,890 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.